God, it's terrible in there. Oh. Oh, hey! How's it going? You're just in time for our nature walk. It's gonna be great. Look at all the nature. Don't look at that. Look at the nature. The nature.
Oh.
Do you see the nature? It's gonna be great. All right, come on. Come on. Well, this is the picnic table. You know that. It's not nature though. No. People enjoy nature at these though. But that's the nature, okay? See, look. Nature. Say it with me.
Nature.
Okay. Let's go. Isn't it nice? Are you enjoying it yet?
Eh.
Nature. What? What do you mean meh? Meh?
You're a fox. You enjoy nature.
And you don't?
Well, I do.
What do you mean you just do?
I do. There's bugs and critters that...
There's what?
Bugs and critters.
What do you mean bugs and critters?
You're a fox, wouldn't you know?
No. Where are these bugs? I gotta go. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Oh, I bet they smell nice. Let's see.
Bless you.
Oh, I hate nature. Oh, my sinuses. Nature, as you can see, is also populated by people. People come out to enjoy nature on a pretty regular basis. They're scarier than the bugs and the critters and other things that could be lurking. So let's go.
All right. All right, let's go. There's a puppy.
Nature is kind of scary. Kind of scary sometimes. It's okay. Because we're still having fun, right?
Yeah.
Fun.
God, don't fall over.
What? Oh. Fun.
Fun? Fun is air conditioning, right?
Yes.
That's the kind of car a fox would drive. That's the kind of car a fox would drive. Is it? No? I'm not cool enough for you?
I don't drive a car.
Well, I drive you.
Oh, yes you do. So looking forward to it tonight.
Oh God! I promise you guys, no. Jesus. No. It's alright though. No.
I think this kind of concludes our tour of nature.
Nature? I didn't get the parentheses there.
Oh, the nature.
There we go.
As you can see, it's crowded, loud, there's cars,
Bugs.
bugs, and I just want to go home.
Aw, okay, I'll take you home, Foxy.
Okay.
It's okay. Say hi to the people.
Let's go.
Okay.